It is called the Super Bowl of Cancer Research. The ASCO meeting starts today in Chicago and brings together some 30,000 of the leading minds in cancer research.
It's where cutting-edge science aimed at curing cancer is revealed. Only on News 3, Dave Delosier has the story of where the reality of cancer meets hope.
This is where the realities of cancer today meets the hope for tomorrow.
ASCO is this amazing collection of individuals. When you talk about tens of thousands of people invested in trying to improve cancer care really across the world.
ASCO is a 5-day conference that brings together the world's leading oncologists, cancer researchers, and pharmaceutical companies.
There's so much science, so much activity, so much hope when we talk about fighting cancer.
Dr. Joshua Lang, an oncologist with UW's Carbone Cancer Center, is part of that fight. At ASCO, he is presenting research he is doing on liquid biopsies. Instead of invasive surgery to examine cancer cells, his research is looking at cancer cells in the blood.
Now, the challenge is that it's incredibly rare. You know, we're not just talking about a needle in a haystack here. We're talking about trying to find a needle in a farm.
But when they find the cancer cells, they can determine if a cancer is becoming resistant to a therapy and allow for a more targeted treatment.
If it all plays out the way we hope, that over the next decade we'd be able to identify early signs of resistance that could tell us who should get a therapy or not. More importantly, we're hopeful it's also going to drive that next level of drug development.
And because a liquid biopsy is not invasive, patients can be monitored more frequently, which means if a cancer becomes resistant to a therapy, treatments can be tailored to the individual patient.
It's a revolutionary period of time. You know, when we talk about not just the treatments, but also the diagnostics, again, it's about understanding more for each patient.
Dr. Lang hopes to start a new clinical trial using liquid biopsies in the coming year. He plans to focus that trial on prostate cancer patients whose cancers have become resistant to treatments. At the ASCO meeting in Chicago, this is Dave Delosier, WISC News 3.
And another Carbone Cancer Center doctor presenting at the ASCO meeting is looking deeper inside the cancer cells. In doing so, rather than treat the cancer based on where it's located in the body, they actually treat the genetic makeup of the cell.
And Dave will have more on that research coming up on Monday.